back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, October 1st, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. It's officially spooky season.
It's Halloween time!
Rocco, I already said that. It's time to bring out those spooky books.
Where can I get one?
At the book fair. Now on to the important announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!